So I have this hairstyle in mind, but how I'm going to achieve it, I needed to be good. Hello, my name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel I talk about everything beauty. So the issue I have with this hairstyle is I love the hairstyle. I know it's going to come out nice. I was just so, I don't know how I'm going to weave my hair to the front. It's not a joke. Like, I can weave to the other side and to the back, but weaving it to the front, and it's not like Didi. I did not know how I'm going to achieve that, but guess what? We have to do it. So let's just continue watching how I was able to achieve this. I'm not going to be talking too much in this video because honestly, I'm doing this voiceover by what's the time? This is 2:17 a.m. in the middle of the night, so honestly I don't have the energy. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys that the only thing that scares me during this while I was creating this content or making this here is how I'm going to weave my hair to the front, and then we'll see how I was able to achieve that. So enjoy. Yeah.
Just wanna be found. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. We need to keep on going. We need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinkers. just wanna stay in with you, cause everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Cause I need to keep on going. I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker. Don't give me what I want, just give me what I need. I'll give anything, anything to be free. Don't give me what I want, just give me what I need, and I'll be out of your way. Give us a sense of direction. Give us a chance to be introspective. Cause I need to keep on going. Cause I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. 'Cause we need to keep on going. 'Cause we need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinkers.
And yeah, if you are new here, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse in every long form video. And yes, guys, here is the verse of the day. And I will make sure I see you in my next one. I need to go to bed, guys. I'm so tired. Bye. I love you.